Okay, we're gonna blow up a toilet. Now the toilet's over there in that trash pile. Can you see it clearly?
The big white spot.
Yeah, the big white spot, okay? Now this thing is ceramic, so it is going to explode. So it's amazing. So, here we go. Watch out. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, boom.
Okay, that would be called a misfire.
Let's go closer.
Give me a second. I don't think we really have to get this close, but just so I don't miss again, my mistake.
Pretty bad you messed with the shotgun.
Yeah, should have.
Still a chip off of it.
Okay, hold on. I am not usually that bad. So what is going on? Am I hitting it? Okay, there's no way I'm pulling that bad.
Shoot from over here where I'm standing.
There's no way I'm that bad. Okay. Third attempt. Hopefully it's a good try. And if you notice, I'm like 6 feet from this son of a bitch. So I'm probably going to cringe when I shoot.
Don't just back.
You need the safety off to fire.
Yeah!
Okay. Finally, it's done for. And you're out of shells. That's doing it.